What's up, people? My name is Joel Smarter. Now, I want to address something for you. If you're looking for a rental, I need you to stop looking. Just stop looking to at Facebook, at whatever. Just stop. I need you to pick up your phone, save my number, and call me. I'll get you the best houses you want in the shortest time possible in the areas of Kilimani, Kileleshwa, Hurlingham, Karen, Runda, Riverside, all those areas. I need you to call me, save my number, let's talk. Don't waste more of your time. Don't talk to anybody else, just call me. My team and I, top notch. Lavington. Now I'm back here at Demi Gardens Apartments along Ngong Road. If you haven't seen the video to this house, go check out buying an apartment in Nairobi part 1 and part 2 on my YouTube channel. Remember to like if you haven't. Yeah? Remember to subscribe also. So let me show you how this house looks without furniture and all that. And then I bring you back to this magnificent view over there. Yeah? Real quick. Come. That's the main house itself. That's your kitchen over there. And then that's your main entrance. And this is the entrance to the 2 bedrooms. You have really nice views. This is the master over here. That's the master bedroom. That's the bathroom over there. Lit. And then this is your master. And then also your views in the master. Yeah, that's the house. Now I want you to see this view. Like every time I come here, we're on the 14th floor. So from here you can see Kilimani, Kileleshwa, you can see all the way to Westland and beyond. I don't know whether you can see Limak, the building. Let's go to Kileleshwa now. Quite spacious. And then check this out. Here we own solar. This bathroom. That's your kitchen. $4,000 on per month. But if you wanna buy, it's just $1.2 million. Okay. So that's it. So holla at me if you're looking for a house around these areas, and I'll take good care of you. I'll make sure you get what you're looking for. Don't struggle. It doesn't have to be a struggle to get a house, okay? Enjoy this.